In this tutorial, I will show you pen tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. So you can access pen tool from here. Here is pen tool, which keyboard shortcut is P. I am accessing pen tool and you can see here is two mode. One is shape. When I click the shape option, selected the shape option, here is you can see this is vector shape, fill, stroke and other options. When I see path option, you can see these options are gone. So I am demonstrating pen tool with first shape. So first of all, I am clicking. You can see pen tool is combination of anchor point and connected lines. So if I am clicking here, you can see clicking here and dragging, it will open two handle. One is background handle and one is foreground handle. So then if I am clicking here, you can see this is anchor point. If I am clicking here and dragging, or if I am pulling in opposite direction, you can see here is the anchor point, here is the anchor point, and this is the connected line. So you can easily see that here is the shape and this is vector shape, and it is created in separate layer from the background layer. So if I now press enter from the keyboard, you can see the shape will be created and new anchor point. You can see cursor with asterisk, new anchor point with connected lines you can create now with the pen tool. So now I am selecting the path mode. So I am selecting this background layer and I am doing same thing, clicking and dragging and making two handle, and again I am here is clicking and dragging and making two handle. This time this is path option. You can see this time it didn't create any shape, new shape. This is actually in demonstration purpose. This is only showing purpose. It shows that here is a path, but there is no new layer has been created. When we created shape with the shape mode, then it was created in the new layer, but now this is no. This is only viewing purpose or showing purpose that here is a path. But how we can see that here is a path? If we selecting this layer and we can click path, then you can see here is a path. If this is unchecked, I am entering that, you can see click and you can see the path. Entering this, it will gone, and if you click this, you can see the path. Whereas this is real shape. If you turned off visibility, then it will gone. So that was the basic difference for these two options. So that was the pen tool for this today's lesson. It will be continued also. I will demonstrate all the tools and options of pen tools from next class also. So that was for this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.